If you can find someone like that, I recommend you start right now.
PG Pro of the PG Pro नाव दिला मुझे नाम रेवंत परेगा Hi everyone, we'd like to welcome you on behalf of both of the Thank you very much for being our friends.
And these festivals are to recognize Goa's heritage, culture, life of people, and empowering marginalized communities within Goa. And also today another significant milestone is that is this is the 24th World Goa Day, and this World Goa Day recognition of Goa was started by Marius Fernandes 24 years back, and so we are celebrating these two things. About festival, I have been saying it earlier also, these are inclusive and festivals for all communities to come together. We are celebrating diversity in our life. We are celebrating persons with disability. We have here persons with visual impairment from National Association of Blind, Santa Cruz. We have here persons with visual impairment and intellectual disability from Lok Vishwas Special School from Ponda. These people, whenever Marius gives a call, these people send their students, send their children, so that these people, now these children who have come, some of them visual impaired and intellectual disability children will paint here, live painting they will do. In the lab, some of these children and even a teacher, they are singers also. One boy, 100% visual impaired, sitting in front of you is Saish Gauthankar, and another his colleague is Brijesh. Saish Gauthankar is 100% visual impaired, and his colleague on chessboard is Brijesh, he is partial visual impaired. So these people, they are empowered by education, by technology, and such people, Marius Fernandes gets them at the festival so that people at large understand, become aware about disability and inclusion, that they are to be accommodated, they are to be empowered. So we come to yet another festival, and I request all of you here, we today also celebrate Ghumar, which is a Goa's state instrument. We have here young boy Sukshant Redkar, who will be playing Ghumar later on during the festival time. So I welcome all of you. Enjoy here. There are stalls by people, by women from marginalized communities. There are stalls from persons with disabilities. They have displayed their skills. They have brought their services and products.
It's a plant that was neglected, which now you can grow in your own home. Even from world attention. You have named varieties in that which you can grow. Yellow, green color, red color, plants are available also.
आणि खूप एक पास घेवची आणि मागीर परत आमी आमचो दुसरो प्रोग्राम सुरू करतले.
माझं
ते सर दोगांय उलयतले आमच्या पणसाचे वयर जॅकफ्रूट फ्युचर फूड म्हणजे पणस म्हणजे फुडले पिळगेचें जेवण.
हॅलो केरबा असोसिएटेड आसा आणि ही फेस्तां म्हणजे गोंयकार कसो विनोद जालो.
आणि त्या प्रोग्रामांनी फुलां आनी झाडां हाडपाक हांवें ताका विचारलें की आतां सांजे हांव करता न्हू जाल्यार थंय पणसाचें फेस्त कित्याक करिना आमी, पातोळेचें फेस्त करता जाल्यार थंय आमी मातशें हळदीचें कित्याक उलयना. तशें थोडे झाडां पेडाचे तितून विशय येयले आनी ही आमची सुरवात आनी आजून 25 वर्सां चालूच आसा.
हे एक मारियसाचें फेस्त हे आतां म्हाका दिसता दुसरें काय तिसरें पणसाचें फेस्त आसतलें. करेक्ट? हय. पणसाचें फेस्त जेन्ना तो म्हणटा तेन्ना हे व्हडविकाय कितें गोंयाचे दृश्टीन हे पणसाची कितें व्हडविकाय.
ताका आमी पणस आनी आनी एक बाटली पेडे दिताले आनी थोडे पयशे. आमी म्हटलें की पणस जो आसा न्हू तो आमी
The Ponsage is curated by Goenzo Festival Marius Fernandez, and it's a vibrant atmosphere, and it really feels like I'm in Goa. Really, I'm sure in yesteryears, people used to live like this, having the foods, the authentic foods, and ponos and so on. It's very difficult. Ponos is not really available. Chef Maria is here with some jackfruit seeds. These are wild jackfruit seeds. It's been a very long time. These are Village State Heritage Market. It was started by Festival Marius Fernandez. And I must say that Father Eric Fernandez, the parish priest of St. John the Baptist Church in Milan, is doing a fantastic and tremendously beautiful job by keeping the market going. It's an employment for the vendors. Most of the vendors are women. As a woman, I support all the women who work on their homes, and they balance their lives between this business, which keeps them busy, generates revenue for them, and they are also looking after their homes. that is multitasking, isn't it? So